What is going on, everybody? We're going to look at an exciting new thing with Botrix. Now you can have alerts on your Kick channel, which is awesome. And also, they've got some other widgets that are pretty freaking cool, and they're working on more. So let's check these out that they got so far. Stick around. All right, so we will get started here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we are on our Kick profile here, which we are. We have that selected there. Basically, the way that Botrix works is anything that you click on settings there, it's going to select that profile and change the attributes of that particular platform. So we'll just make sure that we've got just the big green check right there on Kick. We're going to go to our first, very first one up here, which we're very excited about, our alerts. And you just copy this widget URL in here. And then whenever you go into OBS right over here, you're going to click New. And then select a browser source, just like you would with Stream Elements, Streamlabs, anything like that. We'll call it Alerts YouTube. And then you'll paste your URL in there. I'm not going to do that because I don't want you guys getting my widgets. So, but you would paste that URL in there. Set this to 1920 by 1080 or whatever your canvas resolution is. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. We just delete the custom CSS there and all that good stuff. Don't forget that if you want to control the audio of your alerts separately, like say you don't use just desktop audio as an audio source, don't forget to do control audio via OBS to actually add that as an audio source so that you can control the volume of it and all like that. That'll be a whole other video that we do. But yeah, so we're going to hit OK on that. You'll see that we got that, but we don't got that. But it's cool because we've got it set up already pre-set up in here. So whenever you go through here, we'll go back to Botrix here, and you can set all your attributes for your subscriptions, gift subs, followers, just based on what tab you're going there. Pretty easy and straightforward. Like I said, it's just like every other service out there that does this. But then you can actually test. So you can sit there and you can say, hey, subscription.
Give me your fucking money!
Yep. And I'm not going to do any of the other ones because, have copyrighted music in them. Don't want to get that strike, baby. But yeah, so that's the alerts. So it is pretty straightforward there. The next thing that we're going to check out right here is our widget gallery, and they've added some pretty cool widgets. You can do your viewers counter, which we've got that right here, and it's just going to be exactly the same. You just copy your widget, do your little customizations there, all that. Now, keep in mind, every time you do a customization to any of these widgets, anytime you do a customization, you have to recopy the URL and put it into OBS here. But we've got our follower goal that we'll do the view count. So we got our view count right there, looking handy dandy. And then our next widget here is follower goal. This is the same thing. If you change any of these, like if you don't really like it or you want to change it up, just make sure that you recopy and repaste this into another browser source in here. And then we do followers count, our followers goal. So you can see that we got our followers goal there. And they've got all kinds of other widgets. The subscriber goal. You can put your chat in there, and the chat looks freaking glorious also. So we've already got the chat one up, but you can see testy. So we got good looking chat there, and it actually disappears after a little while. So no more cancerous chat just sticking there for forever. You can do raffles, smileys on the screens. I got the smileys on the screens, all that good stuff. Channel King is coming soon, as is Emote Combo. But those are the exciting new things that we got going on there. Yeah. So if you found this helpful, it would help me out greatly if you would like and subscribe and all that good stuff. It lets me know that you like what we're doing here. and all that good stuff. But yeah, so we will check you guys later, man, into the next tutorial. Don't know what it's going to be. Don't know when it's going to come out. But you know what? Inconsistency is a Disney thing. But we'll check you guys later. Till next time. Peace.